everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Precious Rides. Today I'm excited. We have a new project to bring into the channel. It's a car my wife really wanted, and I've been looking around for it. And I found one at an auction, and I put a bid on it and won. It's a 2019 Buick Encore Essence, and it has some minor damage. Well, it has some damage to the front passenger side that we're going to be fixing, but overall only has 3,000 miles and still smells like a brand new car. It's pretty nice. I'll show you right now. 2019 Buick Encore Essence. It only has around 3,000 miles, so it's pretty low mileage. It still smells like a brand new car inside. They barely used it actually. And as you can see, this is where it was hit in the front. Looks like I did some history on the car. Looks like the owner, he or she, was driving and hit a light pole. Fun fact, the accident happened on May 5th. So if you know, May 5th is Cinco de Mayo. So maybe the driver was having a little too much margaritas. But anyway, yeah, I did a bid on it on the auction and I won it. So here it is, and we're gonna fix it up here on the channel. And you can see all the whole process as I go through it. Luckily, I guess there was no passengers, so there was no passenger airbag deployed. Just the driver's steering wheel and the knee airbag deployed. But no curtain airbags either. It's white with tan leather interior. It's fully equipped, has navigation and everything, heated seats. Pretty nice. My wife really likes it. So now I'm gonna just put down the camera, take some pictures I need to take for the state. I have to take some pictures before the repairs, and then we're gonna pull it into the garage shop and start working on it. This is gonna be video number 1 of this project. Okay, so I have the car inside the garage now. I'm gonna start disassembling it, take all the parts off, and see how bad the damage is inside, and also start making an inventory of the parts I need to order to start the rebuild. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I did already take a sneak peek, and the rails look okay. It doesn't have any damage there. The front part of the rail, where the crumple zone is, that's the only part that's a little twisted, and I might have to cut that off and weld in a new piece. Other than that, it doesn't look too bad. I won't know for sure till I get in there and have everything removed. So let's get to it. Continue to take everything apart. As you can see, the frame kind of shifted a little bit this way, so I'm going to have to tie it down and pull it a little bit that way, so I get it pretty much aligned. So I'm going to continue with that. I've been taking apart most of the small pieces, and it's coming along. It's a long road ahead, but we'll get it done. What up, buddy? How you doing? We're back on the Encore. It's actually been like 2 weeks since I started taking it apart, and I had to stop to order some parts. I'm gonna show you here the damage. On this side is not bad. The rail's pretty much straight. It just has to come over like a hair. I already took off the intercooler. The AC tech, I had to call him this morning. He came in and evacuated the AC system. So this is where the main damage is. As you can see, I'm probably going to be cutting it here. The rest of the rail is pretty straight, so there's no issue there. What I want to do is over here. Probably just going to cut it here and here through the back. Take this piece off. Straighten out the best I can the other side, and then graft in a new part that I'm going to order. I'm ordering this piece new, so I would just have to cut it and weld it where it goes. This actually goes with the reinforcement. I have that piece already as well, so we're on our way. Now the other part that I did not know until I started taking it apart was that the subframe was also damaged. I don't know if you can see here. Let's try to get some lighting. It was bent right here and right here. So, yeah. There and there, it took a pretty nasty hit. Luckily, it did not touch the engine or the pan. And over there, it cracked. So, I'm not going to take a chance. I'm trying to fix this. I actually bought a new one. I have it over there. New used at the salvage yard. So I know that's going to be straight to OEM specs. So what I'm going to do is support the engine up here and the transmission, take everything apart, drop that subframe, put the new subframe on there, and that's going to show me exactly where this connects to the factory. And it's also going to put the alignment back and everything back to OEM specs. So once that's installed, the subframe, then that's when I'll come in here and cut this out, put the new piece in, and finish straightening that out. So yeah, I got quite a work ahead of me, but I'm pretty sure it'll come out pretty nice. It's going to look pretty much factory. I did purchase the bumpers, the bumper cover, bumper reinforcement and everything. I bought them straight from GM dealership, so I know they're gonna fit correctly and it's gonna look brand new. So yeah, so let me continue to take everything apart. Okay, everybody, that's gonna be it for this video. I already took out the intercooler, the AC condenser, the radiator. I unplugged all the wiring, took the transmission cooler lines off, put them aside there. So as you can see, this rail is pretty straight. Like I said, this is the one that's gonna need work. But in the next video, I'm gonna come back, and that's when I'm gonna try to replace this subframe. I'm gonna support the engine and transmission, like I said, and try to drop this and put on the new one. So that's it. We'll keep making progress. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That helps out, the videos. Try to get the channel up. I am going to continue to work on the Buick Encore. I still have work to do on the S10. And for the E32 fans, I still have work on that car as well. I actually ordered a couple of parts for that, but I got lost in the mail. So now I'm doing calling the post office, trying to see what they're going to do. They're going to give me my money, or what's going to happen with that. So I'm trying to get that done. And of course, I still got the Pontiac here that eventually I should get to one day. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe again, and I'll see you in the next video.